four most popular creamy salad dressings in America are green goddess, cucumber ranch, buttermilk herb, and blue cheese. And these dressings never seem to go out of style, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't tailor them for modern palates. Make them a little bit lighter, a little less caloric would be good. Buttermilk and low-fat yogurt can replace some of the mayonnaise and some of the sour cream, too, that are traditionally included in creamy dressings. Even heavy cream is included sometimes, which I try to avoid in salad dressings. So you'll need some lemon juice, some low-fat Greek-style yogurt, a little bit of mayonnaise, and buttermilk. And for this creamy dressing, we're also going to incorporate 4 ounces of the best blue cheese, like a Roquefort. It would be very, very nice. And so now just incorporate all the ingredients. Low-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup. Same for the mayonnaise, 1/4 cup. Approximately a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. When you're making salad dressings, always use fresh juice. Squeeze it just like this. A tablespoon is perfect. And we're also using some fresh chopped thyme leaves. No stems. And finally chop it. This thyme even has a few flowers, which are very tasty, and I don't mind putting them in the dressing. Looks pretty already. And we're going to use 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Season with salt and pepper. And if you like, white pepper would be very pretty in here because it will just kind of disappear into the dressing. Now, I like my dressing with crumbles of blue cheese in it. I like it creamy with lumps. You might find that you want to make it very, very creamy. You can do that with a whisk. Just keep whisking in the cheese, and it will become creamier and creamier. But use approximately 4 ounces of blue cheese. And I just like to crumble it right in to the dressing. And if it gets too creamy, add a little bit more buttermilk. Now, this is served over wedges of iceberg lettuce. It's also very good poured over thickly sliced tomatoes. I also like it with endive. Endive is a nice, crispy, spear-like green, which is white, but it's very good on it. And it's also good on radicchio. I love it on radicchio, the blue cheese. And stir this up. There. So that's it. Creamy blue cheese dressing.